హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 6th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ అవర్ ఫుడ్ నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. పార్ట్ 2. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ చికోరీ గివెన్ బిలో సెంటెన్సెస్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్. ఆప్షన్స్: ఆప్షన్ ఏ, చికోరీ ఈజ్ బెనిఫిషియల్ ఫర్ డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్. ఆప్షన్ బి, చికోరీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో బెనిఫిషియల్ ఫర్ ద సర్క్యులేటరీ సిస్టమ్ అండ్ ద బ్లడ్. ఆప్షన్ సి, both A and B are correct. Option D, none of this. Correct answer: chicory is beneficial for digestive system. Chicory is also beneficial for the circulatory system and the blood. So option C, both A and B are the correct. Second question, the main food in Rajasthan and Haryana. Option A, rice bajra. Option B, maize rice. Option C, roti chapati. Option D, maize bajra. Correct answer is roti chapati. And third question, roosters are used as. Option A, meat. Option B, egg producers. Option C, milk producers. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is meat. Fourth question, onion contain excellent dash. Option A, antioxidants. Option B, anti-allergy substances. Option C, antihistamine properties. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is antioxidants, anti-allergy substances, antihistamine properties. Onion have all properties. So answer is all the above. Fifth question, given below sentences are correct about preservation. Option A, preservatives are used as for to preserve food for some time. Option B, fruits are preserved in sugar syrup. Option C, honey is the preservative of jams and fruit juice. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is all the above. Sixth question, which of the following sentences are correct? Option A, an avocado has more than potassium than banana. Option B, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of carotenoid antioxidants. Option C, tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is all the above. Seventh question, given below are correctly matched. Option A, spinach leaves. Option B, carrot root. Option C, cauliflower flower. Option D, coriander leaves. Option E, all the above. Correct answer is all the above. Eighth question, different types of methods for preparing food. Option A, boiling, example eggs, potatoes. Option B, steaming, for example idlis. Option C, deep frying, example pakodi and puri. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is all the above. Ninth question, below given health tips are useful. Option A, wash your hands before eating the food. Option B, take the food at proper intervals. Option C, go for exercise regularly. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. 10th question, the material for production of honey is obtained from which part of the plant? Option A, root. Option B, stem. Option C, leaves. Option D, flower. Correct answer is flower.